Yes, students, today we will see complex number. This is chapter number 5 in your book. In complex number, first we will see about imaginary quantities. So, what are imaginary quantities? For that, we have one example. Let x square plus 1 equal to 0, and by solving this, we can get x square equal to minus 1. Square will be removed and प्लस माइनस रूट माइनस वन विल बी देयर. ये जो माइनस वन है ना बेटे, दिस माइनस वन इज डिनोटेड बाय स्मॉल आई, दैट इज कॉल्ड आयोटा. दैट इज कॉल्ड आयोटा. दिस आयोटा इज इमेजनरी क्वांटिटी. इस आयोटा की वैल्यू होती है बेटे रूट माइनस वन, और रूट में नेगेटिव इज नॉट वैलिड. That's why this is an imaginary quantity. Okay, and by squaring both the sides we get x is iota square equal to minus 1. One more time squaring both the sides we can have iota 4 equal to 1. So two important results are there, that iota square is minus 1 and iota 4 is 1, and iota that is small I is root minus 1, and this root minus 1 is an imaginary quantity. और ये imaginary यहाँ पर आयोटा आ जाता है, वही imaginary हो जाता है. ठीक है. तो now we are coming on complex number. Complex number is denoted by Z, capital Z. The numbers written in a plus iota b form is called complex number. Numbers written in a plus iota b form is called complex number, where a and b are real number. a और b वहाँ पर क्या होते हैं? रियल नंबर. कोई से भी रियल नंबर आप ले सकते हैं, पर जो नंबर है a प्लस आयोटा b फॉर्म का होगा उसको हम बोलते हैं कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2 + 3 आयोटा और 3 - 2 आयोटा वी कैन हैव. यहाँ पर ये 3 और -2 रियल नंबर है, ऊपर 2 और 3 रियल नंबर है. Similarly 2/3 -5/2 iota and so on. We can have many example. तो फाइनल थिंग कि a प्लस आयोटा b की फॉर्म में जो नंबर होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर होते हैं. और इन्हें किससे डिनोट किया जाता है, किससे रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है? z से. ठीक है. नाउ रियल एंड इमेजिनरी पार्ट ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर. As we know, z equal to a plus iota b, and this a plus iota b is complex number denoted by z. इसमें जो विदाउट आयोटा वाला पार्ट है बेटे a, that is called real part of z. रियल पार्ट ऑफ z. एंड आयोटा के साथ जो है that is b, this is called imaginary part of z. imaginary part of z. तो आयोटा के साथ जो भी होता है that is called imaginary part of that complex number, and without iota जो होता है that is called real part of that complex number. ठीक है. now any real number can be expressed as complex number. किसी भी रियल नंबर को हम कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर की फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल 3 है, सपोज यू हैव 3, यू कैन राइट इट 3 + iota 0, and suppose you have 5/2, you can write 5/2 + 0 iota or iota 0 whatever, so on. तो किसी भी रियल नंबर को हम कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर की फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. पर कोई कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर है तो वो पूरा ही रियल हो, इसकी कोई गारंटी नहीं है. सिमिलरली कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर को हम ऑर्डर्ड पेयर की फॉर्म में भी लिख सकते हैं. ऑर्डर्ड पेयर बोले तो कोऑर्डिनेट की फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल 3 + 2 आयोटा है, तो वी कैन राइट इट 3 and 2. In place of abscissa, real part will be written, and in place of ordinate, imaginary part will be written. Similarly, -5 + iota. So here -5 is real part. So first -5 will come in small bracket, and multiple of iota is 1. That means 1 in the place of ordinate. And by doing so, we can find the quadrant of that complex number in which they lie. Here both are having positive signs, so it is first quadrant. Similarly here one is negative, another is positive, that is second quadrant, and similarly we can have many more. So any complex number can be written in ordered pair form, and by doing so we can find their quadrants in which they lie. Let us take one example. Iota to the power 38, find value of it. तो iota to the power 38 हमें इसकी वैल्यू पता करनी है. तो iota 38 we can write it iota to the power 36 and into iota square. And why 36? Because students, we know that iota 4 is minus, iota 4 is 1. So 36 is the multiple of 4 and it can be written as iota 4 whole power 9. Then it will become 1 to the power 9, that is 1. And iota square, we know the value of iota square also, that is minus 1. So iota to the power 9, iota to the power 36, that will become 1 to the power 9, and 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1. So iota 38 is minus 1. ठीक है. One more example. This time iota 9 plus iota to the power 19. This is your NCERT sum, and we have to convert it into a standard form of complex number. Or we have to find the value of this number. Okay. So iota 9, again it can be written as iota to the power 8 into iota. Why 8? Because 8 is multiple of 4, and iota 8 into iota, that is iota 9. That's why. Similarly 19 के पास जो 4 का मल्टीपल है वो है बेटे 16. So we are converting it iota to the power 16 into iota square into iota. Now 16 plus 2 plus 1, that will become 19. So we can have iota 19, that is iota 16, iota square and iota. Clear? And now iota 8, that will become iota 4 whole square, 4 to the 8 and iota. Similarly 16, we can have 4 to the power 4, iota square is minus 1 and iota will remain iota. आयोटा की वैल्यू आपको डालनी नहीं है, आयोटा में ही आंसर आएंगे, बिकॉज कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर में आयोटा होता है. कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर की जो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म है उसमें आयोटा होना चाहिए. ओके. नाउ आयोटा 4, दैट इज 1 स्क्वायर, दिस इज आयोटा. आयोटा 4, अगेन इट इज वैल्यू ऑफ आयोटा 4 इज 1. आयोटा, दिस इज minus 1 and this is iota. 1 square is 1, this is iota. 1 to the power 4 is 1, this is minus 1 and this is iota. So iota into 1, that is iota, and plus minus minus iota, iota minus iota, that will become 0. So finally iota to the power 9 plus iota 19, that is equal to 0. One more example. It is again a simple example from your NCERT book. We have to convert it into a plus iota b form. This is given to us and we have to convert it into a plus iota b form, that is complex number standard form. Yes. So it is simple multiplication is there. 3 into 7, if this is multiplication, you know about that. Iota into 7 and this iota and iota, iota square into 7. In place of this iota square, we can have minus 1 and 21 iota and 7 iota, that will become 28 iota. Now plus minus minus, so 21 minus 7, that will become 14 plus 28 iota. Finally it is complex number standard form. Yes. So this is your answer, 14 plus 28 iota or iota 28. Some sums for your practice. These are some sums for your practice. Iota to the power 309, and this is 1 plus iota 25 plus iota 50 plus iota to the power 103. And similarly last is iota to the power minus 999. So you can have these sums for your practice. Okay. Now coming on next topic, equality of two complex numbers. Suppose you are given two complex numbers Z1 and Z2, and these are given equal. Z1 equal to A1 plus iota B1. Similarly one more complex number Z2 equal to A2 plus iota B2. And suppose you are